Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some cartoon lemonade. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon lemonade, let's begin by drawing the glass over here. So I'm going to begin by making a line, and I'm just going to kind of curve this a little bit. And you can see it's kind of going at an angle. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then I'm going to make another line that comes down here. Next, I'm going to make a little curve right at the bottom to connect these. Inside of here, I'm going to make a line that just comes across like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and another line that goes down right here. And then a little curved line right across just to connect it. Now I'm going to make a little straw out of here. So let's start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up at an angle. Then I'm going to come down right to the top of the lemonade. Let's draw a line that goes up. And then we're going to draw that same shape. Let's just come up, and we're going to curve around and bring it down to here. Then I like to add these little diagonal curved lines right across here just for a little bit of detail. So we kind of have some stripes on our lemonade straw. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little slice of lemon. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around here. Then I'm going to make another line that just does the same thing. Kind of that same little circle shape all the way across. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here, over here, and over here. Now over here, I want to make a nice picture for the lemonade. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to kind of come down at an angle. Then we're going to curve this in. I'm going to bring this in, and then it's going to come out and back in. I'm going to draw this line down. We're going to come out and then in. Then let's draw a little line that goes straight across the bottom. And then let's give it a handle. Let's draw a line that's just going to curve out and then back in. And then another one just kind of curves out and right back in for the handle on the pitcher. Now, over here, we're going to make the lemonade inside of here. So let's draw a diagonal line. Then we're going to draw this curved line here, and this curved line here, and this line right here. Then, right on top of here, I'm going to make a couple little square shapes. So it looks like there's a couple ice cubes on here. So we just go up, over, and down. And then we can actually bring these down, over, and then up. So it kind of looks like there's some ice cubes in here. Now the final thing I want to do is I want to give my little lemonade glass and picture a fun little face. So let's start here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. I'm going to color most of these in, leaving just a little bit white. And I'll do the same thing here. Just color most of this in. We'll leave a little bit of white for a little reflection. Next, we're going to make a little smile. And then a big smile for the rest of the mouth. We'll make a little sad face for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this. Let's do the same thing over here. I'm going to make a nice circle for the eye. Make another circle over here. Then we'll make 2 small circles. Then I'm just going to color in the rest of this. We'll leave that little circle white so it looks like a little reflection in the eye. I'm going to make a nice little smile here. And then a bigger smile right here. Make a sad face for the tongue. And then we'll just color in the rest of this for the mouth. We're just going to color this in black right with our marker, or you can do it with your pencil, whatever material you're using to draw. And there you go. There is your drawing of lemonade. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.